is on the sidelines, gets his first three. JP drives, stolen from the back. Jay gets a steal there. Matakbo pa rin itong Abra.
Weak side, somebody's open.
Jay, Pinoy step for Jay Yutok.
Mga 10 segundo, no? Nakataas yung kanyang teammate doon sa weak side corner na si Hardy Baldo. Pero may rason kung ba't di niya pinasahan. Dahil 2 points mas sigurado sa loob. Jordan Rios for 3. That is 3-pointer number 10 para sa Imos. Probably the only stat in this game kung saan lamang itong Imos. 10 3-pointers made compared to only 6 para sa Abra.
Red two-man game off the handoff. Jordan Gonzalez able to find his teammate. And Vidal Trinidad with the finish. Kabilang panig tayo. JP has been struggling from the outside. JP Belenchon is 0 out of 6 in the ball game. Balik muna tayo dito. So the game is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Two-man game. You see nobody rotating. Such an easy pass, easy basket. And another uncontested shot for Abra.
Pointer number 11. Para dito sa Imos, Balong Marquez getting that 3 this time around. Jay.
Ganda gumalaw to si Yutok.
And aggressive. Yeah. Jay Yutok. Right.
Meron siyang Meron siyang rhythm maglaro. Alam mong go hard. Pero has a nice change of pace to his game.
The quality of play, coach, for someone who's only averaging 5 minutes. Manny Pay, the digital wallet built for the community, is averaging 7 points and 3 rebounds a ball game. In only 5 minutes and 50 of play.
Ikaw ba naman we just showed assistant coach Denok Miranda, another basketball legend. Kanya mga assistant coach mo dapat swabe ka rin gumalaw tulad ni Denok. Nandiyan pa yung former NCAA MVP from the JRU Heavy Bombers na si Nani Ipundulan. Bata ka pa nun, wag ka mag-alala.
Tatanungin ko na sana, coach, nung year ba yan?
Maybe the year 2000 or 2001. Naalala ko, nag-final sila nun, kalaban ng San Sebastian. I remember this so well because he was teammates with my former high school teammate na si Ryan Chu, who's now in the US. Nani Ipundulan, he was a bucket getter during the collegiate days.
103-65, one thing going. That's gonna be the 3rd straight triple para dito sa Imos.
Bago may magtampo, another teammate nung high school na kasama niya rin was si Robbie Kua, ang amin na team captain in St. Stephen. So dalawa sila, teammate niya yan, si Nani Ipundulan sa JRU.
Balong. They keep on going to that far pass. It has not been successful.
Maybe once. 1 out of 6. Remember the high-low play? Kay Soriano that happened right in front of us?
Right.
That's probably the only time.
Alley-oop for Jetro. He is fouled. It's a surprise play.
Finally, nag-relax na si Coach Yong. Kasi, for the first 35 minutes of this game, nakatayo yan. Ngayon umupo na.
Ngayon, medyo napakali na si Coach Yong. Actually, ang tanong dyan, Coach, kung tatayo ulit, makita na Coach Yong, the first few moments of him sitting down in the ball game.
Can I just say, looking good si Coach Yong. Mukhang magandang pangangatawan niya ngayon.
Extreme, this free throw is brought to you by Extreme, ang subok at kompletong appliances brand. Yutok continues to get on a scoring right here. David Defonso and Raven Gonzalez not in uniform. DJ Fenner and Tucker Molina as well not playing today's ball game. But obviously, it's not a problem for your Abra Solid North Weavers. Josh Asuncion also getting a point there. No, Coach, the only Weaver who have not scored is Encho Serrano.
Now, that I find hard to believe.
That's right.
But he's only played how many minutes? That's less than 6 minutes, but still, Enzo can get 10 points in 6 minutes.
109 to 66, a big 43-point lead in favor of Abra. Not just that, maybe even have a chance to play our Sports Plus halftime contest. Kanina may nanalo na naman ng 200,000 dito.
Tama po yung narinig nyo tulad ng sinabi ni Coach Juanito. Because you would think that first game pa lang today, first of 3 games, may nakashoot na, tapos na, hindi po. Second game and third, kahit may makashoot ulit ng second
Yes.
game, bumaba lang siya. No?
They would just refresh.
50,000, no? And then another 50,000 kung may makashoot ulit.
Of course,
Sa second game.
every game day nila nire-ref na dinaragdagan ng 50,000. So, we've already had 3 winners. We had a million, a 350,000 winner, and then a 200,000 winner. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Baldo is fouled from behind.
It's just one of those things where minsan sinasabihan ka ng maybe your parents or maybe your good friend, no, when you're having a bad day. Alam mo, Juanito, masamang magalit pero hindi. Ang MPBL tsaka Sports Plus, lalo na Sports Plus, galit sa pera.
See the winner right here, RB Medillo. Congratulations again, sir. Yun ang maganda, nanalo ka na, nag-enjoy ka pa sa laro. Diba? 3 good MPBL games here. RB Medillo still staying after winning 200,000.
Palagay ko, mas appropriate pag baliktad yun eh. Nag-enjoy ka na sa laro,
Nanalo ka
nanalo
pa. Nanalo ka pa.
Diba?
Usually, you pay for tickets, but here in the MPBL, you watch.
It's
And
free.
you are paid.
Free po mga
200,000.
tickets, binabawas po sa payroll ni Coach Juanito.
Kaya willing po akong bayaran kayo lahat. Tara na po, may second at third game. Later on, the Caloocan Batang Kankalu will be going up against Iloilo in our main game.
Mga
So,
banat mo talagang ano eh, no? Galawang politiko yan, Juanito. Mukhang tatakbo ko muna ano eh.
dito lang tayo tatakbo ko sa Caloocan Sports Complex sa ano lang tayo, extra calories burned lang ang pagtakbo natin. 1 minute and 14.
Yan na lang yung calories na ibaburn ng mga manlalaro natin. The 10 players on the court para sa dalawang kuponan.
Hello coach, let's talk about a few guys. It's the 4 players na nahirapan tayo pumili, but it's Ildefonso, De Los Reyes, Cassius Small Martin, and Jake Figueroa. Coach, the impact of the 4 here in the ball game.
Kahit sino piliin mo dyan, hindi ka magkakamali. But Jake Figueroa, you know, even if this was quote-unquote a big game against a contending team or a middle-of-the-pack team, playoff team, I think Jake Figueroa would still have the same performance.
And impact as well.
Yeah.
Well, number 17, Jay YouTube penalty, first by
Penalty, 2 free throws.
2 free throws. Looked on.
42-point lead. Makes the first. Cuts it to 41.
Nagkamali ka na.
Uy,
Nagkamali ka na. Susumbong na kita sa professor mo.
mali lang. Tama ba?
Tama ba?
Tama.
Tama. Sinusubukan lang kita. Sinusubukan lang kita.
Medyo napaka-question ako ng aking arithmetic. 41.8 in favor of your Abra Solid North Weavers. They're looking to just hold on to the basketball right here. Yutok still looking to post up. 6 seconds. Jay Yutok is blocked. Fuentes, 10 seconds on the game clock. Balong. So challenged by Jay. Fuentes gets the 3. That's Joseph Fuentes.
And you can just see the difference
John Fuentes.
from a culture standpoint.
At the end of this game,
Even the last shot, even though it was made by Imos, it ended up in a contested shot.
Solid North wins.
And Abra with a big win right here. They'll be winning by 38. 2 straight wins for the Abra Solid North Weavers after losing that game against the San Juan Knights 2 games ago. But our player of the game is Jake Figueroa. This player of the game is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Coach Chris, it's his first game, but already player of the game honors para kay Jake
So
Figueroa.
this game was like a buffet. Ang daming pagpipilian. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung pipiliin mong ulam. Pero ang pinili natin ay yung pinaka-latest, yung pinaka-bagong luto na dumating para sa Abra, fresh from his UAAP and KBL stint. Walang iba kundi si Papa Jake Figueroa.
Jake Figueroa in the ball game is able to contribute right away, and right now he is with Lyra Ponsalan.
Thank you, Juanito. Jake, grabe yung debut mo. Double-double kaagad. Sabi mo kanina, nangangapa ka pa sa sistema pero parang hindi naman halata. How did you settle in that fast?
Wala. Thankful ako kasi yun nga, kahit nagkakamali ako, andyan pa rin yung mga teammates ko para i-approach ako naman, especially mga coaches and especially si Coach Yong.
And coming from KBL, sabi mo sing katalino at very fast-paced talaga yung laro. Paano naman yung expectations mo dito sa MPBL, lalo na't nasa champion team ka?
Nanibago lang na onte pero yun nga, na-adapt ko naman yung game ngayon. So, ayun.